Yeah.
Check in like we make in.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, this is the day the king was born. Yeah, man. I want to say happy birthday to me, myself, and I. Yes, we team. We there, man. Out for the sun there. One more year.
Funny bug of them.
As a Shane that say, one more year. Yes. We there with team. We just have to do a little thing on the river. Nothing big. You know what things said. Yeah, man. Soon we see when we reach by the river.
Yes, man. One more year, friend. Heart of love. Happy Earth Strong.
Fully active.
Fully active. You know, long me come from the vlog, my peeps. You know, say, the real man this. Tessa, Mr. Chin. You know, today, the big man birthday. Old dog. I have to be here. You know, to
Fully
say
active,
happy birthday. Happy
My
strong.
team, my family,
So have a
peeps.
drink today.
Like
some
the vibes.
food. And enjoy yourself. Tall man, bless up you out.
Yeah.
Jano Star.
Good to be back, bro.
Oh my God, hide our spot.
Good to be back,
And
bro.
Cola man, heart of love,
Yeah,
man,
man.
always,
God
man.
be the glory, man.
Great things he has
Yes,
done.
man,
Great
yes,
things, you know.
man. Good to
And it's
be
a
back.
great day, you know. And it's a wonderful day. Today is the 6th. And it's a black man in a cash pot. Strong black man. Look at him. Look at him. Turn the camera on him.
Fully active.
Turn the camera on him.
Rasta the boat.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
man. A great day. Although it look cloudy, but rain or shine, you know, Caribbean Vibes teams always out.
Yes, man.
So we can pass there. We build up with camp.
I'm here on the vehicle too.
Oh, we there, man.
You understand?
Fully active. Check in like we make in. Morning, peeps. Good afternoon, peeps. Welcome to another great adventure. This day is a day when the king was born. So we say we are going to celebrate one more year fully active. Caribbean Vibes team, Tevan, big up yourself. You know how it go. So we say one more year.
Hey! Funny bug of them.
Fully active, man. Peeps, we love the vibes. We love one another for it. Just continue, like and share. Yeah, man. We there, man.
Subscribe.
Yeah. A toast to all our lovely peeps who are liking our videos, who are subscribing to our channel. Fully active, man. Caribbean Vibes, we love one, man. We respect one, man. We respect for one and one I do for it. Just continue. Like the video them, share the video them, and subscribe to the channel. Fully active. Yeah, man. See there? One more year. Out. So yeah, peeps, we're on the location, but it look like one tree drop down there. We look river part, we come last time. So we're there, we get rid of some training them out our way.
I make one bridge.
So you can't get on the phone. Sorry, man.
Kevin J.
We're there, man. Live in living colors.
Boss them back on the vlog again.
Yeah. We're here up, I look up at that swimming pool. Yeah, I want to get for go.
Mind about. Watch out.
Peeps, boy, I drop.
Boy, I get rid of for his birthday. That not good, man.
That's all right, no.
Eh? Eh? So you can't go to that brain. Eh? You know what I'm saying? Bye-bye.
Free for I kick all vibe.
You talk too much. No free for anything to go. Hi guys.
So yeah, peeps, today you know, we kick off the ball. I get some wood to catch a fire, you know.
That's what we
I would say, give thanks for one more year. Yeah, man. To God be the glory, great things you have done. Yeah, man. Today I'm alive in living colors. One more year, fully active.
Exercise. Look at the big one. Okay, watch out. Now fling this and roll. Go down a big one.
What up on the menu to the Rasta?
This is some barbecue conch with rice and peas. And a little curry earshot for the side. Otherwise known as Sursop fish. So, there man. So the birthday kind of look nice. You know, nothing too big. It's all look small like. Yeah, peeps there.
Adding the coconut milk. And peas pot. I got add some pimento seed, garlic and ginger in as well. Yeah. Rice and peas. Sursop fish, conch. On the river you have to rasta earth strong today, you know? Happy earth strong, brother.
Oh, big thanks for that.
Earth strong, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go season up the Sursop fish, so I go use some of the green blended season. Contain onion, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, garlic, ginger, pimento seed. And I go add some all-purpose fish season. The meat season funny so. And I go add some of the better pop curry.
Massage the fish.
Yeah, and use it for marinade.
Yeah.
Smell good already, boy. Smell it. Yeah.
Got the boil of the conch.
Yeah, peas cook. And I go season up it. Add some butter, salt, fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, bell pepper, onion. Them know that. Them know that. So we are going to allow pot to boil up, wash rice and put in.
Top gun. Bless up yourself.
Real top man.
Yes, man.
Then when I see the man with pinks.
Yes, man.
Season, man.
Yes, man.
Any season at all,
This
man.
is your one, man. You check them man, with the pinks.
A woman will season.
When you season,
They want to sell the season, them, man.
season for pot.
Scallion, onion, tomato.
Provision.
Gong provision. Yes, stop, man.
Yeah.
I'm a virgin from born till now, them man, I'm a virgin. Yes, man. I'm a better uncle, now. Wolverine. I'm better uncle. Yes, man. You come from far.
That's you can every day can come and say, "Boy, I got more." A long time, man, have fun.
Alright.
Anytime he come here, I don't
Yes,
say,
man.
"Yeah, man."
My brother.
Another mother.
Oh, big up your blows and skirt self.
Bless it to you. Bless
Yes,
it.
man.
Happy strong.
Yeah.
Happy strong.
Yes, man.
Many more. We are doing for the vlog
Breeder.
now.
Yeah. Aline. Fully active. What do you want?
Yes, man.
For the birthday.
Go on, man.
Out there.
Yeah. Add some garlic. Burn. Another curry.
Kids say hungry, so we have to speed up the top of idea.
Actually reach late. How do you make it?
Good dive down tonight. Yo, man, today Jimmy can't wait for dive tonight. Oh, my word.
I will add some overflow rum. And the sauce up. Add in the rice, you know. People are hungry. This breed are hungry. Where they so get to do? I'm going to season up the conch. Add some fish season. Some blended green season. I use some all-purpose. I'm going to rub it. Rub it to marinate.
Oh my word, take a ton over. There's some people look good. Can't wait, peeps.
Take out this time.
I'm going to show man. I'm cooking now, so we're going to steam the rice, you know.
Yeah. I have a wrap. Allow the rice to steam. One. Season. Fresh scallion, bell pepper, onion, thyme. Allow the vegetable them to cook. Add a little all-purpose season, now flour. Go add some beer. So I actually make a butter for the conch. I use a little fish season as well. Gently, because remember so the conch already seasoned up already. Yeah, so I coat the conch in the butter. Yeah, Rasta, once more again, brother.
Fully active.
Come on, happy Earth Strong, bro.
The greatest thing in life, you know, brother. And if you have life, everything is alright. You know,
Thanks for being a part of Caribbean Vibes
fully active.
family, you know?
Yeah.
I really appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir. What do you say? Barbecue conch, rice and peas. And what?
My man sounds so happy, man.
Yeah, we have money.
Earth strong.
One of the best days. What you
Yeah.
know?
Yeah.
Fully active. A-chag. Curry A-chag.
Yeah, man.
Oh, we there, man. The team out, man. That chill?
That's a love boss.
Yes,
A
man.
long time I live for a pot cover so hot, you know. Because of you today, the yard.
Yeah, man. Top Gun. Big up yourself, my brother. Far, far away, come from me. Big up yourself.
Mr. Marky,
You must have my brother hungry now. Yeah, man. Brina. Yeah, peeps. Oh, my world. Can't wait to get in a barbecue conch. Oh, Jaja. Sure. That day yesterday, man. That day. Oh. What? Conch fire shot. Jesus, peace. Some barbecue conch, curry A-chab, rice and peas. One of the best dinner for today. Let them go and fry out, man. They're so ready. Okay, so what I say? Can't wait to get tonight. Oh, what a line up to make it sound.
No, internet. Yeah, so we are going to make some barbecue sauce. We are adding fresh thyme, scallion, onion, bell pepper, garlic, you know. Wash off it. Pineapple skin. We're going to add some pineapple juice as well.
Steve, that's the sauce boss. You want a sauce boss?
Now we are going to use some rum barbecue sauce. Nice. Oh, we have to taste it.
Hold on, man. Virgil, hold on, man. Oh my world.
We are going to add some soy sauce. Darken the barbecue sauce just a little bit. I will cover and allow it to boil up. Yeah. Sauce now. Sauce.
Yeah, peeps, when it comes to
Sauce, pick
sauce, when it comes to sauce, the man is sauce boss. Yes, man.
More stiffer than this.
Fully active.
You don't want him over? You don't want the stiff one that. The taste bars come in and out. Woo! I can't wait to get tonight more. I'm going to tell you, boy. Anybody here look? Keep looking. Looking in while we looking out and tasting. I eat that.
Yes, sir.
Alright, kids first, you know? Give them food.
Man, can't wait to get to that nice rice and peas with this barbecue conk curry H-ag.
Do you want more rice on it?
Sauce of fish.
That good? Or I put more? The smell of coke of that milk, boy.
Yes, man. You taste everything on the rice. Oh, yeah, brother. I winning, man. Caribbean vibe steam. Rina, what going for you?
Food nice. Everything nice. Kung, sauce, up fish, rice and fish, everything nice.
Fully active. Oh, go on, papi. Yes, everything good. What going for food?
Nice.
Fully active.
And gravy? Nice.
Okay.
What's in that there wrong? Without you put them one. You like it conk just soft and nice. And gravy too nice.
Fully active.
Yep, the rice and the barbecue rice. I'm talking barbecue rice. The barbecue gravy and the rice is good.
Fully active.
Barbecue sauce. Still out. Rice and peas. Hatter road. The H-ag. Oh my word. Barbecue conk. Tell my peeps, you don't need to be here. All I want miss this, need to be here. Just continue to subscribe to my channel. Blessed love.
Top gun.
Barbecue, salad, food. I want to get them for cooking from you.
Hey. God no.
Real man. Fully
Yeah, man, the
active.
food.
Fully active man.
Yeah, man. Real man.
Yeah, peeps. Can't get a better dinner like this. Watch it. Barbecue conk, curry H-ag, rice and peas. Oh my word. Best. Nice birthday. I know what people make things nice. No? All two of we are cheering for you. Nice. Kids in there see me. Yeah, man, like it vibes, man. Barbecue, conk, curry H-ag, rice and peas, fully active. Yeah, man, one more year again. Oh.
Next year we're doing it again.
Okay.
One with a vibe. Bread and skirt. Done. Done. Look at me. Now for one more plate. I'm going to tell you.
Yeah, man, the food bad, man. Caribbean cooking vibe, man. Real thing, man. Boy, I don't know them youth get the cooking there from me, but the youth them bad. I know. Right, no. Take done. Food done. But the nice. God, no.
Dave, with some more food.
Yes, peeps, it's been a wonderful day. A full joy myself. Full joy birthday, but you don't stop yourself. We are going now. we finish the birthday. But I don't know. I vlog.